Okay, this is me making a deposit with Skrill. I just credited $50. Let's go make some trades. I just want to show you this with this video how we can let's say at least maybe let's say $10 every day with one trade. Just with one trade, you can be making $10 every day using $40 or even less. Now it depends on what you have. Just want to show you uh, how that can be possible. I'm trading for 25%, which is like $10. So let's see how fast this will pull through. I may have to pause. It's not yet through, so I may have to pause if it doesn't pull through now. It's almost there. Okay, so this is me using $50 to make $10. So now you can see $60. Now you need to understand anybody can do this. Don't now say because you are seeing a barrier offset, you're seeing the amount and you're seeing how I'm trading, you now think you can do the same. No, I had to receive signal before I could do this. And I want to do one more. Okay, uh, just place another trade uh, for another 25%. Let's see how fast it will pull through. I may have to pause. Uh, okay, I think it has pulled through. Okay, this has pulled through. So that's $20. Now $50 has turned $70. Anybody can do this, and slow and steady you build up and you will make more. That's how it works. So it's not magic. It's not magic at all. It's not magic at all. It's not magic. It's because I know I have already gotten a signal. So I just made 75%. Um, Now $50 has turned $80. This is how I grow bit by bit. You get to learn how to use the signal, the right signal. You enter at the right time. You make your profits. Slow and steady. Will you lose? Of course, sure you will lose. But you see, the process is to make more profits than losses. So at the end of the day, you get a smile to the bank. God bless you. See you in another video. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys probably my profit table and my withdrawal. You can see all the trades I did is slow and steady, and you win the race uh, from 50 to 150. That's $100 profit. So that's how you can get to do this. Let me make a withdrawal. Cashier, you observe I deposited with Skrill, so I'm going to withdraw. I'll be right back. There's a semicolon. Okay, I'm entering the amount. I'm going to be withdrawing 150. I'll leave the fraction there. So I'm going to be withdrawing to perfect money. Uh, Once you have make deposit with perfect money, you can really easily withdraw and all that. So because I've actually made deposit with perfect money, I've made deposit with Skrill, so I can easily make withdrawals. So that's a withdrawal. Okay, guys, that's a wrap up. God bless you. See you in another video.